I received my first ever advent calendar from one of my current favorite natural hair care brands, SheaMoisture. So we're gonna unbox it together. Thank you guys so much for your love and all of the support, because this opportunity and no other opportunity that I am blessed with will be possible without your love and support. Let's go ahead and open it up. It is a giant camera. On the lens, there is this box. When you open it up, it is a necklace. It says one of one. And on the back is a screen. Mine isn't custom. I do have the general one. So manifesting that next year, the girls get the custom package. I'm gonna open it up. Ooh, I see a card. It says, "Hey girl, hey. Here's a little holiday treat to keep you looking camera ready for all season long." And the note is like an SD card. Love, love, love it. Each daily surprise keeps your hair laid, shiny, and built to last. From the first party flash to the morning after debrief. You already bring the vibe because you are the vibe, and that's on period. We're just making sure that you're prepped and ready for your close-up. Now go make every moment photo worthy. SheaMoisture. Let's open her up. So we have 11 days of surprises. Since it is past Christmas, we're gonna open all of them up to see what's inside. So number one, we have this SheaMoisture Curl Stretch Refresher Spray. Number two, oh, we have a baby tress hairbrush. Number three, ooh, we have the SheaMoisture Amala Oil Balm Repair Leave-In Conditioner. Number four, Number four, y'all, they sent us a camera, a whole camera. This is a Kodak PixPro FZ45 digital camera. To know me is to know that I love me a digi-cam. So I'm actually gonna set this up right now, because y'all know we are photo ready. So cute. Oh my God, the quality on this camera. Number five, ooh, this is the SheaMoisture Rosemary and Vegan Collagen Strengthening Scalp and Hair Oil. Number six, ooh, we have the SheaMoisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil and Flaxseed Stronghold Edge Gel. Number seven, ooh, y'all, we have my favorite. This is the SheaMoisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. If you know, you know. Real ones know what this could do to the hair. Number eight, oh, we have an Edam lip balm. This is the new Edam Croissant au beurre lip balm. Excuse me. Number nine, we have the SheaMoisture Coconut and Hibiscus Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. This mousse is literally my fave. It's actually what I use to achieve this twist out that we currently have in our hair. Once again, real ones know. Number 10, this is the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Glow Serum in Juice Boost. You guys, wait until I pull her out to do my makeup. Y'all know I love me anything Danessa Myricks, so just wait to see the magic that we create. Last but not least, we have the SheaMoisture Coconut and Hibiscus Smooth and Shine Lightweight Hair Oil. Now this is how you do an advent calendar, okay? Shout out to SheaMoisture. I cannot wait to play with all of my new giddies and also continue to experiment with my current faves. Thank you so much, SheaMoisture, and thanks to all of you guys for your love and support.